Today, we start the celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month 2021. Thank you for the support that you give to the Hispanic community and to Hispanics, Latinos, Latinas, and Latinx in the fields of cybersecurity and information security. My name is Eric Belardo, and I am the founder of Raices Cyber Organization. We started Raices with the goal of supporting this community and the allies that support us each and every day. As we go through all the activities planned for this month, we need to remember that the Hispanic representation in the field of cybersecurity is currently at 4% of the total workforce. We need to change this. A lot of you may be asking, so what can we do? Well, first, visit www.raicescyber.org and either volunteer or join our newsletter for all the activities that we will be doing this month. Number two, follow us on Twitter at RaicesCyber.org to help us push out the message. Number three, donate to our organization at the link below to help us continue our mission of educating, mentoring, and supporting the next generation of cybersecurity and information security professionals. And finally, subscribe to this channel so you can watch Raices Live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and our show New Battlefields on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. This month, we will be having wall-to-wall coverage of Hispanic awareness topics for Hispanic Awareness Month. With your support, I know that we can raise that 4% representation number and have a more diverse and inclusive cybersecurity workforce to help defend and protect this world. We want to thank our members, volunteers, and universities like Temple University's Cybersecurity Application Research and Education Lab, the CARE Lab. Again, happy Hispanic Heritage Month 2021. Thank you for listening. Let's go Raices Cyber.org.